Hidrostal's Auto Desludger is the ideal solution for unmanned sites. The system enables completely automatic hydrostatic pressure desludging for humus or primary tanks. The system operates using a low-power motor, winch and plug valve at timed intervals. In the event of a power failure, gravity provides a system fail-safe. The simple-to-use control panel is housed in a weatherproof kiosk. The timer can be set to automatic repeat cycles and runtime periods. The system can be installed in less than a day and will provide years of trouble-free, low-cost use. So if you require value for money, reliability and fail-safe operation, easy installation, maintenance and use, then welcome to Hidrostal's Auto Desludger.